Hi, and welcome back to my Truffle kitchen. It's that time of the year when everyone's making something with pumpkin and every store smells like pumpkin spice. I don't like store-bought sweets, so I decided to make my own cream cheese-filled pumpkin spice cookies. Let's start cooking! Before we start cooking, please check out the description for the amount of all the necessary ingredients. We start by preparing the pumpkin for the pumpkin puree. Peel, clean and cube the pumpkin. Place it on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until dry, soft and golden brown. Next, prepare a large bowl, measure out the cream cheese, add powdered sugar, vanilla and mix everything well. Prepare a plate covered with clean film. Transfer cream cheese mixture into a piping bag and pipe out 12 to 14 1 tablespoon rounds. Place it in the freezer while you prepare everything else. Place cooled pumpkin into a blender to prepare the pumpkin puree. Add 2 egg yolks for easier blending. Mash with a fork to remove any remaining lumps. Into a large clean bowl, add flour, salt, baking soda and baking powder. Add the pumpkin spice and mix everything well. In a separate bowl, add butter and coconut sugar. Incorporate everything and start mixing on high speed for 2 minutes. Add vanilla powder and pumpkin puree and mix for another minute. Add the dry ingredients and combine everything on low speed. Now we are ready to form our cookies. The cookie dough is very soft, and that's how it should be. Divide the mixture into 12 parts, around 2 tablespoons each. Form a ball and flatten. Place frozen cream cheese in the middle. Make sure the cream cheese is fully covered with the dough. Mix the remaining coconut sugar with cinnamon and dip the cookies in the mixture from both sides. Bake them well spread at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Sprinkle more cinnamon sugar on top and let them cool fully before transferring from the baking sheet and serving. It's time to enjoy the cookies! The pumpkin spice time of the year is very short, so I hope you enjoy this recipe. I better have my cookies right now because the smell is so amazing, it will reach my neighbors and they will come knocking on the door.